Welcome to the GarageHawk installation video. GarageHawk is a unique product that allows homeowners and renters to monitor and close the garage door from anywhere in their home. The basic GarageHawk system consists of two types of modules, a garage module and a remote module. The system can easily be installed by anyone using only a ladder and a screwdriver and does not require cutting of holes or rewiring your home. Some installations may also require the use of scissors or wire cutters. GarageHawk is microprocessor controlled and AC powered. There are no batteries to replace, ever. Settings are stored in non-volatile memory and are automatically reset after a power failure. So let's begin our installation, but first a word about garage door safety. Remember, your garage door is probably the heaviest moving object in your house. Always verify that your garage door and garage door opener are both in good working condition. Test normal garage door opener functions, such as photo sensor and automatic reversing controls, per your garage door opener manufacturer specifications. Do not install GarageHawk with door openers that lack adequate safety features. And do not proceed with the installation of the GarageHawk unless the garage door and garage door opener are performing in accordance with the manufacturer specifications. A qualified garage door service technician should correct any operational problems before proceeding. Okay, let's get started. To begin, close your garage door and unplug your garage door opener. GarageHawk modules, like all INSTEON-enabled devices, are required to be linked to establish communications. If you purchased a GarageHawk starter kit, the remote and garage modules were pre-linked at the factory. The following procedure can be skipped unless additional modules are added. Whenever you change your GarageHawk system by adding or removing any INSTEON-enabled device, we strongly recommend that you remove all links from all GarageHawk devices and then relink all modules according to your desired configuration. Failure to do this may result in performance degradation and/or operational failures. To remove all linking, unplug the GarageHawk module for about 10 seconds. While holding down the Set button on the GarageHawk module, plug the unit back in, making sure not to let go of the Set button. Once the unit is plugged in, continue to hold down the Set button for 3 seconds, then release. The GarageHawk module status LED will turn on solid bright and then turn off. A few seconds later, the red status LED on a garage module or the door position indicator close button on a remote module will begin to flash the following sequence: 2 rapid red flashes, pause, and then repeat. This sequence indicates that no links currently exist and the GarageHawk module is now ready to establish new links before use. Repeat this procedure for each GarageHawk module in your system. To link any two INSTEON devices, simply plug the garage module into a convenient outlet. Then plug the remote module into the garage module. Wait until the rapid red flashing ends before proceeding. Press and hold the Set button on the garage module for approximately 10 seconds until the status LED flashes, then release. Press and hold the Set button on the remote module for 3 seconds until its status LED blinks. Then release. The modules are now linked. Repeat this process for each garage module in your system. If your system includes multiple remote modules, link each remote module to all other remote modules. Consult your user guide on our website www.GarageHawk.com for detailed information on linking and unlinking. Once your GarageHawk system has been linked, the next step is to install the Garage module and its components. The Garage module is identified by the attached black and white wires. The garage door position sensor switch is identified by its wire connection to the Garage module. The sensor magnet has no wire connections. Extend the garage door position sensor switch and its wire to a position adjacent to the top of the garage door and as far away from the metal objects as possible. Determine the best placement for the garage door position sensor switch and the sensor magnet. Depending on your garage door type and configuration, the garage door position sensor switch and sensor magnet can be mounted at the top or the side of the garage door on the left or right. Choose a location that allows adequate clearance without interfering with garage door operation. Clean all mounting surfaces with alcohol to remove dirt and oil before applying adhesive mounting pads. Use peel-off adhesive backing to position the sensor switch and magnet. The sensor magnet should be mounted on the garage door directly adjacent to, but not touching, the sensor switch. With the door closed, the sensor switch and the sensor magnet should be aligned vertically with a gap of no more than 1/2 inch between the two parts. Because garage doors and installation methods vary, exact position and mounting procedures will vary. Use extreme caution when mounting magnet and sensor switch to assure clearance with moving parts when the garage door is opened. We recommend the use of the attached adhesive mounting pad to temporarily position the parts and manually open and close the garage door to test for proper clearances before permanently attaching them with screws. Take a note, the mounting position may need to be adjusted to assure clearance before it's permanently mounted. Once the correct clearance is assured, then secure it with the included mounting screws. And again, caution. Care should be taken so the garage module and associated wiring do not interfere with the garage door or opener operation. Secure all wires to the outside of the garage door track or ceiling and away from any moving parts using the plastic ties and mounting pads provided. The black wires from the garage module must be connected to the terminals on your garage door opener that are currently used for your existing wall-mounted opener button. Other wires are probably already connected to these terminals. It's very important. Do not remove existing wires. Simply loosen the screws and add one wire under each screw head. Connection is not polarity sensitive. Tighten the screws to assure a good electrical connection. If your garage door opener does not allow additional wires to be attached to the opener button terminals, use the following method to connect the wires. Cut the wires leading to the wall-mounted button using scissors or wire cutters. Then, separate the wires. And strip the insulation from all 4 wires. Connect the black wires to the garage door opener button wires as shown. Plug the garage module into the garage door opener outlet located on the ceiling of your garage. The garage door opener can be plugged into the always-on outlet on the front of the garage module or directly into the outlet. Test for proper operation by opening the garage door slightly and observing the red LED indicator at the bottom of the garage module. The red LED should light within a few seconds as the door starts to open, and should extinguish when the door is fully closed. Additional garage modules can be purchased from Innovative Home Systems to provide convenience and security for garages with multiple doors. Visit our website, www.GarageHawk.com, to order additional modules. We are now ready to install the remote module. The remote module is used for 2 purposes. To indicate the current position of the garage door, green button is for closed, red is for open, as well as provide the means to close the garage door by pressing the red button. Plug the remote module into any convenient and accessible outlet in your home for easy monitoring. Suggested locations include bedrooms, bathrooms, or any high traffic area, or a hallway where the door position indicator close button can be readily seen before retiring for the day. Additional remote modules can be purchased to provide monitoring and closing capabilities from multiple locations in your home. Visit our website www.garagehawk.com to order additional modules. Testing your GarageHawk system. To test the system, open the garage door. After a few seconds, the door position indicator close button on the remote module should glow red. Push the door position indicator close button on the remote module to initiate the garage door closing sequence. The door position indicator close button should flash green until the garage door is fully closed. Under certain conditions, when the door is partially open, GarageHawk will cause the garage door to open completely and then close. This process should take up to 40 seconds to complete. When the closing process is complete, the door position indicator close button will change to a low-intensity green glow, indicating the door has successfully closed. If the door position indicator close button returns to either solid red or flashing red at the completion of the process, a problem has been encountered while closing the door. The door should be inspected immediately to determine and rectify the problem. Never use the door position indicator close button if garage door opener safety features are not working according to manufacturer specifications, or when unintended operation of the garage door could cause personal injury or property damage. Expanding GarageHawk functionality. When used in conjunction with X10 or other Insteon-enabled automation devices, this feature allows GarageHawk to control indoor or outdoor lighting whenever the garage door is open. To enable this feature, link the Insteon lighting or appliance device to the garage module using the same linking procedure described earlier. X10 devices can be controlled by setting the X10 device to house code G, unit code 16. Whenever the garage door is opened, GarageHawk will turn on the controlled device for 4 minutes, allowing temporary pathway lighting for your home. After 4 minutes have elapsed, GarageHawk will turn the controlled device off again to avoid wasting energy. Your GarageHawk system can be easily expanded to add additional functionality. For example, an inexpensive X10 chime module set to house code G, unit code 16, will provide a pleasant electronic chime to alert you whenever a garage door is opened. Another very popular enhancement is to add a web-enabled Insteon automation controller. Linking a compatible Insteon controller to a GarageHawk remote module will allow two-way communications with your GarageHawk system. If you set it to notify you when you're away, the controller can be used to initiate email or messages to your mobile device whenever a garage door opens. A response to the message could then allow you to close your garage door from anywhere in the world via the internet. The controller could also be used to trigger other events such as closing garage doors at a specific time of day or when the sun sets, adjusting heating or air conditioning based on garage door activity, controlling home lighting or appliances based on the time of day, garage door status, input from a mobile device, or a combination of these and other factors. Thank you for watching the GarageHawk installation video. For additional information about GarageHawk installation, features, or to purchase GarageHawk compatible expansion modules, please visit www.garagehawk.com.